Hi Scorpio, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to another you and yours reading. Now Scorpio, you and yours is you and the person who's affecting your energy the most. This could be anyone, could be a neighbor, boss, friend, parent, child, whoever, okay? So let's see who wants to come out for you today. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the message they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So let's begin, Scorpio. Now your love readings have also been uploaded. I'll leave a link at the end of the video if that's what you're interested in. But let's see who are you dealing with other than that, and how you can deal with this energy. So 2 sets of cards, Scorpio, one for you, one for the person you're dealing with. And in the center, we'll have your mutual energy and how we can deal with it. You of course know these are general collective readings. Scorpio will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? And leave the rest. And also a big thank you to all my subscribers out there. Your kindness is always appreciated. And if you're new here, welcome to the Omkara family. We welcome you. Join us, subscribe, and let's keep meeting. Let's see the other side. And also, Scorpio, a lot of people have reached out to ask me what Omkara means. Now, Omkara is another name given to Lord Ganesha, who is an Indian deity we pray to for happiness, abundance and peace. So that's what I pray for all of you out there. So Scorpio, person 1, person 2. Now you see who you resonate, which side you resonate best with, okay? So let's start with person A. Person A is thinking of bringing in an apology or a love offer. Okay, they're deeply thinking about how they can move forward to the other person maybe, and take them a little offer of love maybe. They've been stuck in a very stuck place for too long, okay? They've been maybe isolated, alone. I have the Hermit twice here for their side. Hermit clarified by the Hermit, which means they are now sick and tired of being in a place where they are maybe they feel left alone. They're just not making them happy anymore. They're unhappy to be alone. They want to come out of this stuck, stagnant place. They are also realizing that maybe not much effort was made in the past. Okay, but now they really want to come forward and extend some kind of a hand of friendship or a love offer or an apology or something. And they want to do it now. They are so sick and tired of being alone and unhappy. They really want to come in fast and furious now with all their passion and love maybe. So they also have the 7 of Cups. So if there was any confusion or if they had any options in the past, they are willing to drop all that because and they want to return. They want to return to this person with whom maybe in the past they had not made much effort. They feel things have come to quite a stagnant halt here, and maybe now the love which should have been there is lost as well. Yes, this person maybe has been holding back from person A, or maybe person A has been holding back for quite a while, and because of the stagnancy in this relationship, all love, whatever was there maybe in the past, has just kind of drained out. Things have really come to a stagnant stall with this relationship, or maybe overall person A is feeling a little, left out, and somewhere person A knows that this was probably their fault, okay? They know maybe they were the culprit, and because of them not investing or not, maybe they had options or something. And the light's gone off. So I'm going to pause the video for a second and wait for the light to come on. And it's on. Okay, great. So, okay, So this person A knows that maybe somewhere, maybe they were responsible for this love getting lost in the past. Maybe person A had options, or did not show any love. But now I think this person seriously wants some kind of connection, some kind of relationship with person B to be revived. They also know it's not going to be an easy task, Scorpio. They know that the other person has now got their sword up. Excuse me for just 1 second. Sorry, Scorpio. The electricity just came on and I wanted to switch Alexa off before she started talking. Okay. So they somewhere know that this, it won't be that easy. This person, maybe who they were connected with, may not be as open anymore, or may not be that willing now to reconcile with them. Yes, because maybe this person A didn't put in enough effort in the past. They were the King of Cups, maybe in reverse in the past. They never showed that emotion. And maybe they were a player too. I mean, person A could have been, sorry, person A, if this is you, I'm sorry, but this is all past energy, okay? This is how you're feeling now. That maybe you're recognizing that maybe, you did not put in enough work in the past, and you never really showed the love and affection that you had in your heart towards person B, and maybe you did have some player energies and you're afraid now. Excuse me, that throat chakra suddenly shut off. Yes, and maybe there is stagnancy in conversation. Maybe you don't know how to talk to this person anymore, because the person B, I think, seems to have their guard up now, and now you realize what you lost. You lost all this love. Somebody took their love and power back, and it's led to total stagnation of this relationship. So person B, let's see how you're doing. So in person B's first card, I have the Moon in reverse. Yes, person B feels a lot of secrets came out. And everything was unearthed, okay, in the past, maybe regarding person A or regarding the relationship in general, which led them to drop this relationship altogether. Okay, I think person B turned their back on this relationship after things were not as they seemed, and a lot of secrets came out which are not very pleasant, and person B just went ahead and moved on. I think moved on to see what else was out there for them, and turned their back on this relationship. Yes, didn't want to have anything to do with person A, and felt, let karma take its toll now, whatever happens, and I don't want to have anything to do with person A, and maybe have a restart on my own and not with them. They are in a 3 of Cups place right now, which means they seem pretty okay and happy with their life. They seem to be moving ahead. They seem to be passionately moving ahead to chase their own dreams. Because, maybe there were third parties in the past, okay? Yes, they also feel that there were third parties in the past, and that's the reason why the wheel stopped moving, and they finally decided not to be one of these options, and person B just kind of took their power back and moved away from this Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands is the player card, right? This person was probably juggling, playing, had too many options, and yes, this person left. Queen of Cups. They did love person A a lot, okay? There was a lot of love this person B had for person A, but after all these secrets or whatever went wrong in this relationship came out, it made this made this person into a Queen of Wands, which is really, really upset and very angry. And they decided that they wanted to move on. 9 of Coins, Spirit. Yes, they decided, even though being single was not the easiest thing for them to do at that point or this point, or whenever this is happening to you, Scorpio, or your person, they knew that now maybe they would have to be single and maybe not in the best place financially or in life. But they still decided to, it upset them so much that they decided to take a fresh leap of faith for themselves and just jump ahead with maybe nothing but a little bag on their back and take a leap of faith to fresh new beginnings. Even though they may not have been in the best place to be single or be financially stable or anything like that. Because they felt cheated, right? They felt embarrassed, they felt publicly humiliated by the way they were maybe treated in the past, and this person just felt that there was no more love to be had in this relationship, and they decided to just move out, move away. Now let's see what's going on in the mutual energy. The Magician. Okay, so now both of you are in magician mode. Both of you are trying to manifest something new. Let's see what this Magician card is in your mutual energy. Spirit Magician. Both wanting to make a choice, maybe in love. Okay, now this is in the mutual energy, Scorpio. So are you both manifesting each other back, or are you both making a choice regarding this love? I think this is a choice, Scorpio. You don't see any growth here. You really don't see any growth here in the coming future, and you both are making a choice as to what to do now, or what should be the modus operandi. Should one work towards it, or should one not? Because whatever said and done, there was a lot of love between the two of you. Okay, whatever happened in the past was hurtful. Yes, person A has realized that and wants to maybe work towards it again. Person B has kind of moved away, but there was a lot of love in this equation, and both are maybe thinking now, is there any chance or any possibility, knowing that things have really stalled or been over. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Spirit, what is this Queen of Pentacles in reverse as a mutual energy for these two? Really, again shows no growth. Oops. What is the Queen of Pentacles, Spirit, for Scorpio? Yes, I don't think, Scorpio, that this is a workable situation anymore. You both are coming to this very practical decision to know that yes, there is love, there is affection, but I think it's best to drop this burden now and not push it to a place where it doesn't work, and maybe find, yes, Chariot is in reverse, right? So you both have come to the realization that this, even though there is love and affection, and maybe you guys can have mutual respect with each other, there is no going back to the way things were. It's total stagnation here, and I think both are trying to take back control of your own lives after feeling totally abandoned, left out in the cold, and I don't think there is any. Yes, because there is no sense of justice here. After what all has happened in the past, you both don't see any way that things can be put back together. Well, justice card could also mean the legal system. Maybe now it's too late. Maybe you people are already married and divorced. For some, yes, the Empress in reverse again. Okay, as a mutual energy, she's come out twice. So you both see that there can't be any growth in this area anymore, because maybe it's an opportunity lost now. Yeah, this is no going back to the past. Six of Cups in reverse. Maybe you've known this person for a very long time. There was sweet memories there, sweet and sour, I guess, from the spread I see. But now I think you both are kind of staying in your strength and turning your back to this way of relationship. I don't think that there is any renewal. Yes, decisions are going to be made. Decisions are going to be made. If there is any confusion in any one person's brain that, this can be resurrected, you both are now going to maybe talk about it and make a decision that let's know each other. We do care and love each other, but it's too late. It's an opportunity lost now, and there is no going back to the way things were, which is going to be in a good way, because if there were any hopes or whatever, they'll all be put to rest, and any overthinking on anyone's part is going to be now put down. You both are going to now see how can we invest in a healthy way in the future. Okay, maybe not totally leave each other out in the cold, get out of the sad and depressed space if any of you have been, and see how you can move forward in a healthy way. Let's see in actuality, Scorpio, how this person feels for you. How does Scorpio's person feel about them, Spirit? How does Scorpio's person feel about them? 9 of Cups. Okay, one more. How does Scorpio's person feel about them? How does Scorpio's person feel about Scorpio, Spirit? Scorpio, this person actually really did care for you, does care for you. When they think of you, they think of the 9 of Cups. You are or were their wish fulfillment, okay? But this relationship, this family dynamic maybe which you both shared, gave them a lot of pain and left them feeling totally sad and upset, and whatever happened between the two of you didn't leave them in a very good space. Even though it may have started out as, the happily ever after, and they, you both maybe cared for each other at one point, and they still want this with you. They want to know you, but they're a bit afraid of getting tied down with you again. Okay, they feel that it's not going to go well, maybe. And they want to make slow and small efforts in this relationship now. I don't think they want to leave you completely, but I don't think they're very happy to be in a relationship which will make them unhappy either. So Scorpio, how do you see your person? Scorpio, how do you see your person? How do you see your person, Scorpio? What are your feelings towards your person? One more card. Okay, Scorpio, you want them to get over, okay? You also heart of hearts really did or do love them. You want them to kind of just get over all this pain or the past hurt or whatever swords that are in their back. You want them to just get over all that like pronto, yesterday, and you feel they should just come back and forget whatever happened in the past, even though you don't want to show it or you don't want to apologize. You want it to be done by itself. You just want that whatever happened in the past, and maybe somebody moved away, or maybe you did something sneaky, maybe you didn't show your emotion, or you were a bit irresponsible maybe in the past. You want everything to end magically, okay? Have a death to the old ways and have total transformation in this relationship where maybe, you guys can have love and be happy once again. This is how you want it. You just want this other person to forget what happened, okay? And just come back without you having to make an effort or apologize or anything to do it. So let's see the most likely outcome for this. Spirit, what could be the most likely outcome for Scorpio and their person? 3 cards, please. Very nice. One more. Most likely outcome for Scorpio and their person. Most likely outcome for Scorpio and their person. most likely outcome for Scorpio and their person. Yes, Scorpio, you guys are going to probably want to charge ahead. There may be some communication regarding this as well. I don't think this offer is going to be accepted, Scorpio, to be very honest. It's going to leave you feeling a bit powerless because you don't have maybe any control over this person anymore. Things are too far gone and it definitely seems like an opportunity missed. Okay, this is going to lead to a little bit of heartbreak, heart pain, but just be strong because there are other ways that you can deal with the situation. Maybe it won't go back the way you expect it to. You just want everything to magically, or maybe this could be the cross watcher, right? Somebody who just wants everything to magically just disappear, whatever happened in the past, and begin from the the days were good. But life doesn't, move that way, Scorpio. So accept it, and yep. Let's see what the angels want to bless you with. What do the angels want to bless you or guide you with? Spirit, please send us one more card, please. For Scorpio. Spirit says, whatever you have now, Scorpio, whatever you have, the way you have it, try and find peace in it, okay? Whatever level of commitment you still have with this person, try and find peace with it. It's not, commitment can be many types, okay, Scorpio? Instead of being in a commitment where there is always fighting or unrest, try and find another way of still being in this loving space where there is peace and happiness and joy. And why don't you just chill for a change? Play some music. Maybe Spirit will send you some messages regarding this person or how you can deal with this relationship. So don't be in this heartbreak space because that's what you're going to attract it, right? So you just take care and don't worry about whatever has not been. Try and find a solution, and maybe new love is, soon going to enter your life. Whenever a door closes, Scorpio, there's always another door about to open. So have faith, and I'll see you next week. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And love and light.